Have you ever wondered how faceless YouTube videos work and generate revenue? Welcome to the intriguing realm of faceless YouTube content, where creators are opting to stay behind the scenes while their work takes center stage. These videos are called faceless because they focus on content, not the creator's personality or appearance. The popularity of faceless YouTube videos has surged over the past few years, appealing to creators who prefer anonymity or those who simply want their content to shine. From DIY tutorials to video game walkthroughs, technology reviews to animation channels, the faceless approach offers a unique opportunity to generate engaging content without the need for personal recognition. Whether it's a meditation or motivational channel, a music or news channel, a tutoring service or a tour video, faceless YouTube videos cover a broad spectrum. They even extend to channels about running at-home businesses or affiliate marketing. The world of faceless YouTube videos is vast, and there are several types of channels in this category. Let's dive in. From DIY tutorials to music channels, the variety in faceless YouTube videos is immense. And today, we're diving into that diversity. First up, we have DIY tutorial channels. These channels are a treasure trove of knowledge, from cooking to crafting to online marketing. They break down complex tasks into easy-to-follow steps, all without showing a face on screen. It's the content that takes center stage, not the creator. Next, we have video game reviews and walkthroughs. These channels are perfect for gamers looking for a sneak peek into a new game or needing help with a tricky level. The voiceover guides the viewer, while the on-screen gameplay does the talking. Then there are technology review channels. They're the go-to for the latest gadget reviews and tech news. The focus here is on the product under review, with just a disembodied voice giving us all the insights we need. Let's not forget the world of illustration and animation channels. These channels bring stories and concepts to life with captivating visuals where the artistry is the star of the show. Podcast channels are another variant. They offer long-form content on a myriad of topics, from history to pop culture, all without a face on screen. Then we have meditation and motivational channels. They provide soothing soundscapes or empowering speeches, often with simple, calming visuals that allow listeners to close their eyes and focus on the audio. Music channels, news channels, tour videos, and tutoring channels each bring their unique twist to the faceless YouTube landscape. They all share one thing: the emphasis on content over creator. Finally, we have channels focused on home businesses and affiliate marketing. They're all about sharing tips and strategies for making money online, teaching viewers how to set up their own online ventures, and directing traffic to their business funnels. With so many types of faceless YouTube channels, the opportunities to monetize are endless. But how does that work? Well, stay tuned, as we're about to explore that in the next scene. Making money from faceless YouTube videos may seem like a mystery, but it's actually straightforward. The first thing you need to understand is that YouTube is a platform that rewards creativity and consistency. Let's start with ad revenue. Once your channel reaches the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for YouTube's partner program. This allows you to earn from ads that play on your videos. The more views your videos get, the more ad impressions, and the more money you make. But ad revenue is just the tip of the iceberg. Sponsored content is another avenue. Brands are always on the lookout for channels that align with their target audience. If your content matches their brand, they might sponsor your videos. This could involve you mentioning their product or service in your video, or they might simply want their logo shown. Either way, it's a win-win. Then there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service in your video and providing a unique link or code. Every time someone uses your link or code to make a purchase, you get a commission. It's like sales, but without the face-to-face interaction. Merchandise sales are also a great way to monetize. If your channel has a strong brand or community, you might consider selling merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or even digital products. Again, it's all about leveraging your audience. Lastly, we can't forget about YouTube's algorithm. The algorithm favors content that keeps viewers on the platform. This means creating engaging content that encourages viewers to watch more of your videos or other videos on YouTube. The more watch time you accumulate, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your content, leading to more views and more revenue. All these strategies require time, effort, and patience. But with consistency, creativity, and a bit of business acumen, monetizing faceless YouTube videos can be a lucrative venture. Now that we understand the monetization aspect, how about starting an online business through faceless YouTube videos? Creating a faceless YouTube channel can be a great way to start an online business. It's a venture that takes creativity, dedication, and a bit of business savvy. Starting an online business using a faceless YouTube channel involves a few key steps. First off, you'll need to choose a niche. This should be something you're passionate about, but also something that has a decent following. Whether it's DIY tutorials, video game reviews, or even meditation practices, there's a niche for just about everyone. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is creating consistent content. Consistency is key in the world of YouTube. It's not enough to just upload a video every now and then. You need to consistently produce high-quality content that your audience will love. This not only keeps your current audience engaged, but it also helps attract new viewers. Building an audience is the next crucial step. This involves promoting your channel and your content. You can do this through social media, collaborations with other YouTubers, or even through paid advertising. The goal is to get your content in front of as many eyes as possible. Now here's where the business part comes in. Once you've built up an audience, you can start to monetize your channel. This can be done through a variety of methods, including ad revenue, sponsorships, or even through selling your own products or services. And don't forget about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your link. It's a great way to earn passive income, and it can be incredibly lucrative if done correctly. Starting an online business using a faceless YouTube channel isn't easy, and it will take time and effort. But with determination, creativity, and a solid business plan, it's entirely possible to build a successful online business. But to make your online business successful, you'll need to understand the concept of a business funnel. A business funnel is a crucial part of any successful online business. At its core, a business funnel is a marketing model which illustrates the journey a customer takes from the first interaction with your brand to the ultimate goal, conversion. The funnel metaphor is apt because it starts broad with a large pool of potential customers and narrows down as individuals move through various stages, leaving only those who complete the journey and convert into customers or clients. Now imagine your faceless YouTube channel as the top of this funnel. This is where potential customers first discover your product or service. It could be through a DIY tutorial, a video game walkthrough, or even a motivational podcast. The variety is endless, and the potential for reach is vast. The next stage is interest, where viewers start to engage with your content. They might like, comment, or subscribe. This is where you begin to build a relationship with your audience, providing valuable content and establishing yourself as a trusted source of information. Now, you might be thinking, great, but how do I direct traffic to my funnel? Well, it's all about leveraging the power of online platforms. Share your content on social media, collaborate with other creators, and make use of SEO techniques to increase your visibility. Don't underestimate the power of a catchy title and an engaging thumbnail. As viewers move further down the funnel, their interest turns into desire. This is where your persuasive skills come into play. Offer solutions to problems, showcase the benefits of your product or service, and create a sense of urgency. The final stage of the funnel is action. This is where viewers turn into customers. They might click on an affiliate link, sign up for a course, or purchase a product. This is the ultimate goal of your business funnel. Remember, a well-crafted business funnel doesn't just happen overnight. It requires planning, testing, and tweaking. But don't be disheartened. The beauty of an online platform like YouTube is that it allows for constant iteration and improvement. With a well-structured funnel, your chances of success in the online business world increase dramatically. So, are you ready to dive into the world of faceless YouTube videos and potentially start your own online business? We've journeyed through an array of faceless YouTube channels, from DIY tutorials and video game reviews to motivational and meditation channels. Each one holds a unique potential for monetization. It's not just about ad revenue, but also about affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and merchandise. We've explored starting an online business, a venture that can be kickstarted right from your living room. It's a world where your passion can become your profession. We've also delved into the concept of a business funnel, a strategic model that directs traffic towards your business, turning curious viewers into loyal customers. But remember, it's not just about understanding these concepts. It's about applying them with creativity and consistency. It's about creating content that resonates and engages. Remember, with creativity and consistency, faceless YouTube videos can be a powerful platform for generating income. Good luck on your journey.